What's up, guys? We're Scoot STL and I tripped over that. What's up, guys? We're Scoot STL
And this is our backyard DIY skate park. Okay, so we built this rail after the quarter pipe. It was the third thing we built in the skate park. So basically all it is these two 2x6s. I think they were 9 feet, and we cut off the legs from those. So these are 3 feet, and it's 6 feet long. And then we just screwed some metal corners on the top and waxed it up, and yeah. Alright, so first we built that smaller kicker over there. That was the second thing we built in the skate park right after the quarter pipe. And we rode that for a while, but once we got better, it didn't give us enough air for our tricks anymore. So I haven't ridden that in a while, but we just built this new kicker right here. So we built this new kicker right here, but I didn't use any plans or anything. I sort of just made it up. So it's really, really steep. So if you hit it, you either can't really get enough height on the top of it, or you just fall because the transition is not very good. So I had some metal on here that I glued, then the glue came off. So there's a bunch of things wrong with this, but we're gonna fix it, and it should work pretty well after we fix it. So it's just taller than this other one, just for more air, so we can do just crazier tricks. Alright, so the very first thing we built in the skate park was this quarter pipe. So it's 3 feet high, so it's not too big, but it's really fun for stalls or air tricks. You can drop in on it, learn different types of drop-ins, but there's not much of a deck on it. It's just, I think, 2 feet long for the deck, and it's 4 feet wide, so that makes it a little hard to do like whip airs or double whip airs or that kind of thing. But it's still really fun, and it's pretty mellow. It's not steep at all, so you can learn tricks pretty easily on it. So I've learned so many tricks on this quarter pipe, and it's helped a lot. But just that can get a little boring after a while, so that's why we built this. Alright, so this is a 3-foot bank right behind the quarter pipe. So it kind of creates a box jump from the quarter pipe, and then you can gap and land on the bank. So it's really, really fun, and it's really challenging. So it's gonna take us a long time to get used to it. So we just built this a few weeks ago, and so far it's been really fun. And you can see all these marks on there from us like hitting our wheels or decks on it. And yeah, but it's been very hard and very fun, and we have a lot to learn on it, and we still haven't even landed a real trick on it. We've just jumped it, and it gives you a ton of air, a ton of speed, and we have a lot to learn. try.
Hmm.